So the Florida Naturalist Center is basically an oasis in the middle of the city. We want to show people what wildlife is like and how they can live together in their urban habitats. We also do a lot of educational programs. So we have animals that go out and meet guests and interact with kids. It might be their first time ever seeing a turtle or a snake. So we are super excited about the animals we have that can do that. They're all really good about meeting people. Arthur's been here with us for about 10 to 18 years. He is a Florida king snake, which is super fun because he's not the normal color you would see on a king snake. Most of ours here are red, black, and yellow, and he's that very cream color. I want to thank people for coming to MOSH and coming to our shows. It does support the care of these animals who have various health conditions, can't go back out to the wild for one reason or another. So it does mean a lot that people come and want to learn about them. We're really excited that we have such a strong community supporting our ambassadors.